Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Pinduoduo seller account. First, it's essential to understand Pinduoduo's unique social commerce model, which heavily relies on group buying. Next, gather all necessary business documents, including your business license and legal representative's identification. Finally, decide on the appropriate store type for your business, such as a flagship store or a specialty store, before beginning the application process. Once you have prepared, the next step is to complete the online application form with precise details about your business. You will then need to submit all required legal and financial documentation through the platform's portal. This typically includes your business license, tax registration, and bank account information. After submission, the Pinduoduo team will review your application, which usually takes several business days for approval. After your application is approved, you can begin configuring your store's basic information and branding elements. This involves setting up your store name, logo, and overall design to attract customers. Next, upload your product listings, ensuring each item has clear descriptions, high-quality images, and accurate specifications. Finally, set competitive pricing and define your shipping options, considering Pinduoduo's unique group buying discounts and logistics. To succeed on Pinduoduo, it is crucial to understand and leverage its unique group buying features, encouraging customers to invite friends for better deals. Actively engage with your customers using the platform's interactive tools, such as live streams and minigames, to build loyalty. Continuously monitor your sales data and customer feedback to optimize your product offerings and marketing strategies. This approach helps ensure sustained growth and strong sales performance for your store.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.